What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I will be showing you a new method where we can earn money online by using GIFs. That's right, we can now earn money by using GIFs. I think you're already familiar with GIFs since we see this every single day on social media. It's either you use them or some people post them. Now, if you're not familiar with it, then stick with me because I will be showing you what it is and I'll be explaining how this method works. So right now, I'll be giving you two options. The first option is to watch this video until the end, follow everything, and earn passive income online while doing nothing or by just relaxing every single day. The second option is do not finish this video and do not follow my steps. That way, you won't earn anything. The choice is in your hands. Are you going to finish this video or are you not? Now, today's method is a passive income strategy, which means all you have to do is set this up and do whatever you like afterwards. And then money will then start to roll into your account. Today's method is absolutely free, so you don't have to worry because you won't have to spend a dime on this. And this is also available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can absolutely do this. Now, if you have been watching my videos, then you might already know or you might guess what I'm about to say next. But if you are new, then welcome to Mr. McMoney. So what I'm about to say here is do not skip any part of this video so that you won't miss out on important details. Because if you do, you might end up not earning anything at all and we don't want that. So just sit back, relax, and wait until this video ends. Because as soon as this video ends, you can now start earning money. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. McMoney, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Okay, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Smash the like button and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's get right into it. So as I've mentioned in the first part of this video, if you don't know what a GIF is, then I'm going to explain that to you. GIFs are a series of images or soundless video that will loop continuously and doesn't require anyone to press play. So if you go over to google.com and search for GIFs, it'll look like this. Okay, they won't move. So if you want to see them move, you can go over to websites like giphy.com. So this will lead us to our first step. Okay, so let's go to giphy.com. Again, that's giphy.com, giphy.com. And then you can see right here, these are the GIFs. They look like this and they just loop. You can search a lot of different GIFs here. So for example, you want to search for funny GIFs, you want to search for animal GIFs or romance GIFs, something like that. It'll come up here. There are a lot of results. So right now, let's proceed to the next step. What I want you to do is search for Instagram followers count or YouTube subscribers count, something like that. For this video tutorial, I am going to use Instagram followers count. So let me just search that here on the search bar and then a lot of results will then come up, right? So let me just pick one and I like this one right here. So let me click on this and I'm gonna download this. So right click and then save image as. And then once you're done downloading that, we are ready to proceed to our next step. But before we go there, I want you guys to comment down below what social media platform do you usually use? Are you always on Facebook? Do you always go on Twitter instead of Facebook? Or are you an Instagram person? Let me know in the comment section. So by the way, this is not the website where we will be earning money, okay? This is just a platform where we can get GIFs from, okay? You can also upload GIFs here, by the way. People come over here all over the world to upload their GIFs. That's why we get them here, alright? So let us proceed, and that is to come over to this website. And this website is a social media management platform, which means people all over the world come to this website so that their social media accounts will be boosted, okay? If they want more social media followers, if they want more YouTube subscribers, they will come here and this website will help them achieve what they want. This website has been featured in the Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, the Huffington Post, Fox News, and more. So this is where we can earn money, right? This is eclinter.com. Again, this is eclinter.com. Eclinter can be used with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok, and more. Now, if you're wondering if you need a website to do this or if you need a social media following or whatsoever, well, absolutely not. So this method today is perfect, especially for beginners. So if you don't have any prior skills or experience, then don't worry, okay? So again, Eclinter is a website where people come over to boost their social media accounts. So Eclinter can totally help them with followers, with subscribers, and with the return of investment, especially the return of investment. So why Eclinter? Why should people come over here to Eclinter when there are other social media managing websites? Eclinter guarantees to boost your social media ROI and grow your reach. And then they have an agile team with cutting-edge technology and die-hard support team 24/7. Also, they continuously add value and features so that you can better execute your strategy. Also, they have all the tools you need in one platform, okay? So they have publishing and scheduling, they have interactions and engagements, they have content creation and media library. They have social listening and monitoring, reporting and analytics, and team collaboration. So for the next part of this video, for the next step, I want you to come over here to the homepage of eclinter.com and then scroll down to the very bottom of this page. Alright, and right here on the left hand side of your screen, under Eclinter, you can see partner and affiliate. So you can click on that. Yes, that's right, we're gonna be an affiliate partner. Now, if we combine the GIFs and we combine this affiliate program of Eclinter, then we can earn hundreds of dollars. If not, we can even reach thousands of dollars. So right now, what I need you to do is come over here and click on apply here. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can sign up as an affiliate partner. So what you'll need to do is enter your email address right here. Make sure that it's a valid email address. Enter your first name, your last name, and the website right here. You can leave this blank for now because this is where we will put the website where we will drive traffic to, okay? So leave that blank for now. And then company name, company number, VAT ID, and just complete this sign up process right here. And then after that, agree to the affiliate terms and conditions of eclinter.com. Check I'm not a robot and sign up. After signing up, you'll then have your affiliate link. Grab your affiliate link and then we'll proceed to the next step. But before we go there, I want you guys to comment down below where you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country. Okay, so let's proceed. So now that you have your affiliate link, I want you to go over to the next platform, which is imgur.com. That is imgur.com. So this is a platform where millions and millions of people come over here every single day. There are a lot of posts right here and you can see that there are also GIFs available. Also, I haven't told you yet, but each time someone avails the services of Eclinter, you get $100. So that's $100 per person. Which means for 3 people, you have $300, and for 10 people, you have $1,000. So since a lot of people come over to this page right here, to this website, we will use this, okay? We will use this to drive traffic to our affiliate link. Now what you'll need to do is, of course, we have to sign up for an account. So click on sign up here on the upper right hand corner of your screen, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can easily sign up. And then after that, once you have signed up, you'll be redirected back to the home page, and then I want you to click on this new post button right here. When you click on that, it'll show you this one. So what you need to do is you have to upload your GIF right here, the one that we downloaded from giphy.com. Remember that one? So now that it's loaded, I want you to put a title which is catchy. You know, our target here are people who wants their Instagram followers or who wants their social media accounts to be boosted. So I want you to post something that is related to that. For example, grow your Instagram followers fast. So put it there. And then right here below, you can add a description. I want you to write something that'll catch their attention, okay? So right here, I'm just gonna write sign up and get your Instagram account boosted. And then I'm gonna add my affiliate link. Make sure to add your affiliate link, okay? After adding your affiliate link, I want you to add tags. Tags are really important. So this will categorize your post. We don't want our post to be lost in the fitness category, right? Because we are targeting people who want their social media accounts to be boosted. So for the tags, let me just add here Instagram, influencer, boost Instagram account, and you can add more. Now, the last thing that we'll need to do is, of course, share this to the community so that when they see that, they'll be able to click on your link and then sign up to Eclinter. Again, there are millions and millions of people who come over here to imgur.com. So you don't have to worry, because even if one or two only signs up, that's already $200. Now, since there are millions here, there is a possibility that you can even get more than 10. Also, I suggest you can share your link on other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You can share it to your friends as well. If you know someone who is an influencer or is starting to become an influencer, then you can also share your link to them. And that is how we can make money online by using GIFs. And that's it. If you liked the video and if you learned something, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell. As always, if you have questions and comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!